NRM flag goes for a premium. We are not selling flags. I don't know what some media houses really intend to achieve in all this, because this is the highest level of misinformation. Once in a cycle, in an election cycle, as a party, it is even practiced at national level that politicians, I always want to avoid the word politicians, leaders are required to pay a certain sum. We have also adapted this within the party. And very much so, it's for the purpose of encouraging people to also contribute to the politics within the party. When you look at other political parties across the continent, even the world, it is the membership, the faithful, that contribute to the activities of the party. We do not yet have the membership requirement that members of NRM pay membership fee. We don't have it. That they buy membership cards. We don't do it here. But once in an election cycle, we require our leaders to contribute a fee to the politics of the party. But if they want more justifications, they should also be told, now the district election officers tell the naysayers that the NRM pays nomination fees for all its flag bearers. We do that across all levels of participation. Not only that, we also contribute to the campaign costs. We have a fee that we send to the members of parliament, the district members of parliament. They get different sums. Others get 30, others 50, others 60, depending on the area and the dynamics in the place. So we are not selling any flag in any way. Tell our people that that is not the NRM. Those are not our methods of work. This is a standard procedure which we have done over the years, but just to encourage our leaders, to contribute to the politics of the party. But in the end, this money is in fact given back to the same leaders. Whoever has a flag is supported to campaign. Whoever is a flag bearer is given the nomination fees. So I thought this was very disturbing, and I thought I could share this information with you. As you go, we could disseminate this and really cancel all that they are trying to create as an impression in the public. Asante.
Hello.